thinking about you one night long. Yeah. In the morning when I wake up, you in my mind. I've been thinking about you one night long. In the morning, you in my mind. You there on my mind, babe. You there on my mind. You there on my mind, babe. You there on my mind.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is an update on my hair growth. Oh my gosh, like I'm so happy. Like this is exciting. Summer, it's getting heated. Things are putting me down, and I've been upset all last week, the following week, and this week already, and it's only Monday. But just gotta get on with it. And the thing that made me smile just a minute ago was my hair that I needed to share it with you guys. It's time for an update. Okay, so I'm just literally yesterday I came rolled my hair back. It was cane rolled, sorry, previously it was cane rolled back when I just washed my hair. I washed it, shampooed my hair with any random shampoo, and then greased it with some Vaseline, and then that was all I did. And then my friend cane rolled it going back. When I came home on that Sunday, I came straight home, sorted out my children, and then afterwards I wanted to redo it because obviously the gel was a bit hard on my head and I didn't like it like that. So yeah, I came home, and then afterwards it was dry with the gel and everything, so I just didn't like it like that. So I then decided to wash my hair again, and then afterwards so I took out the cane rolls out my hair, and then afterwards I washed it again, and then I blow dried my hair. And then after blowing drying my hair, I just brushed it out. It was proper straight out, like I straightened it, and I didn't straighten my hair. I literally just blow dried it, and that's all I did to it. What did I put on my hair? I put a little bit of, what did I put on my hair? Vaseline. I put Vaseline in my hair, and then I put a little bit of that was it. Yeah, that was it. Literally, that was it. And then I says, yeah, that was it. And then I cane rolled it into again. So now obviously it's Monday, and I've just taken it out. It's been in 2 cane rolls all this time. I cane rolled it back how it was. And then afterwards, I didn't really put any gel on my hair. I put a little bit of eco styling gel, and then that was it. And I didn't even put that much. I literally just put it on this bit because obviously I put a band on my head, and rather than using my silk scarf that I normally put on my head, I decided to put my little cape or whatever it was. So I put it on and then made a line on my head. You could still see it. So yeah, I'm going to show you the products that I put in my hair and how I do it. Easy little set style. It has grown so much. It is kind of dry, but we're going to grease that. I've done one side. I've left it this one because I just love the cane roll that I did, and it takes me a long time to cane roll my hair, trust me, just to do 2, because I can't see the back of my head, can I? So it's a bit hard. But yeah, let me show you the products. Okay, so first of all, what I do is I'll just brush. Just brush. And I've seen like loads of dandruff in my hair as well, so I know it's definitely growing. Because when I was younger, my hair used to grow quite fast, and I would see so much dandruff in my hair, and it doesn't matter what I use. I can even use Head and Shoulders, whatever it's called, and still it just was so dry. So I've got this argan oil conditioner that it's not a leave-in, but I noticed during my years of my journey of regrowing and cutting my hair and everything like that to try and grow back my edges naturally, the best way ever is to leave conditioner in your hair. the conditioner that's not soapy. So I can use a Tresemme, yeah, that's what it's called, Tresemme conditioner in my hair. If it's not soapy, put it in your hair, leave it in your hair like a leave-in conditioner. With this is a conditioner. There's a shampoo with it, but I didn't get the shampoo because I barely shampoo my hair, and if I do, I have a particular one that I actually get, or I'll make my own shampoos, which I'll do in another video. I'll show you my shampoos that I do actually make. I don't know why my bra is looking yellow, but hey, it's white on this side. Okay, so this is the argan oil conditioner. Believe it or not, I got this from the pound shop. Yeah, we went there. And this has been doing wonders for my hair. This is like the third one that I have got for £1. And yeah, it's with Moroccan argan oil extract, and it rejuvenates and rehydrates, leaving hair shiny, smooth and healthy. Oh, it's done all 3 of them. The next one that I also put in my hair is the castor oil leave-in conditioner. I also put that in my hair. I realized that when I put loads of conditioners in my hair, not all at once, like one at a time or once a week of one of them, yeah. And I realized that putting conditioner in my hair rather than as a replacement for grease, put grease in my hair at times, so that's why I'll put the Vaseline in my hair. But I realized that putting grease in my hair makes my hair just stay short. It's weird, right? And it just dries out my hair. Like, my hair will be soaked with full of Vaseline, and then after it's like less than an hour, it's dry, crispy. It's like you're eating crisp from my hair. Like, does anyone want some Doritos? But yeah, yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna do my hair. So what I do? Look at this. This is some healthy hair. Can you not see this, people? Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see it? Can you? Can you see this? Can you see it? Can you? Ooh. So anyways, I'm gonna put this black castor oil in my hair. I'm gonna put a generous amount because this is what I love. I put this in my hair all the time, and I just do this. I put it on the outside. A bit more. Yeah. And I just brush. I like to brush forward as well, because if I keep brushing back, it's just going to make my hair say, like, you know, you want to do a slick back now, okay? And I don't want to try and do this slick back. I want this hair to grow the best way ever. And it's like, I don't know. Bear in mind, I've never put no chemicals in my hair, apart from like bleach and dyes and yeah. But I have never permed, I have never texturized, I have never, someone said to me the other day something called S-curl or something like that. I've never done that. I've never done no, mate, I ain't done none of that. I don't need to do it, because doing that later in life, when these things start stopping after Brexit comes, yeah, who's gonna be buying grease now, huh? And your hair gonna be dry as in a motherfucker, and your hair gonna be some shredding shit. And when as soon as you stress, the whole of your hair is coming out, when you're using lace wigs every goddamn day. Like, no, okay, just don't do it. So the next one I put in my hair is the argan oil, because this one is a bit more wet than that one is, and that one is castor oil. You know what castor oil does to people's hair there? You make it grow, don't it? And I don't watch my armpits. I don't know what's happening with my body today. My body is looking a hot mess. Like, one day I'll be light as hell, like I'm like died and came back alive. And then after another day, I'll just be looking mad dark. And then after people like to go on holiday. But no, I was in standard UK. But yeah. What I like to do is do this for like a good few minutes. Can you hear the crispiness? just play it. And there we go. Obviously, it's a bit different to the other one, but hey, I don't give a damn. This is meant to be my protective styles, and that's exactly what I'm doing it as. So that's how it is. That's the last bit of the result. Yeah, this is my hair. I was going to say a type, but I just can't be up to all of that numbers and all of that letters right now. But yeah, anyways, this is the result. This is what I do every single night. And obviously I don't always do the same plait, but I do sometimes like have plaits going down and then up to the back to the thing or side, so go down, so never going always back. And that's how my hair has been growing. And this is the thickness compared to how it was before. Oh my god, Lord of mercy. I'll find and dig up a picture for you guys and I'll put it up, and probably in another video if I don't find it to put in this video. But it was this whole bit here. You can even see like the linings, like this whole bit here, that bit, that bit, that bit, that bit, there, all here was literally pretty much gone. Like it was there was hair there, but I could never really, I would always have to slick it up in order for it to look like I still had lots of hair, and then put like a bandana on my head because it was so goddamn thin. And you just see lots and lots of hair, thick curly hair, and here was just like dead. So yeah, I'm really happy with my results. I don't know what else to say right now. It's just, it's grown so much. The thickness is what I wanted in the first place, hence why I've cut my hair like a good 1,000 times, because I wanted it to get to the same, grow back in the exact same level, and I wanted to also to get some thickness. So I was redoing my hair, and every single time I'd always F it up by dyeing my hair, and then I stopped for a while and I realized it just wasn't growing back, and obviously it was due to stress and everything else, and the lack of vitamins and etc. And now I'm trying to get that back on track and eat healthy and eat right and eat more than probably twice a day and all of that, because I was just lacking on food and eating because I was so depressed. I'm still depressed and stressing, but this hair that is growing and thickness is the only thing that's keeping me going pretty much right now. Obviously my children, but I'm talking about like me wise, like myself. Yeah, so I'm really happy with the results. Guys, try it out. Like, it won't do nothing bad to your hair. We all know about, you guys all should know about Jamaican Black castor oil, because that is the Shazam from years and decades. So yeah, but this is the conditioner one. The inside looks like that. It's white and creamy. It costs £4.29, £4.29, and you can get it from any beauty store. And this argan oil, like I said, you can get it from the pound shop. Yeah, so you can get this in the pound shop for £1. But I would stock up on these because I don't know what's happening with the pound shops. People are lacking in their jobs in there and all of that stuff, and Brexit is around the corner, and everything might just, all the pound shops might just shut down. So I'm going to be stocking up. I'm going to get £10 worth of soap and powder, £10 worth of that argan oil, £10 worth, you get what I mean, £10 of everything pretty much. When I have money, when I get money, I will definitely, that'll be the first thing to do, straight away, get £10 on everything. Toilet roll, 10 of those. Flipping sweets, 10 of those. Them rambinas, 10 of those. Like, straight. Come back with a whole 10 or 10 or 10 and 10. I'm like, hold them back so I can go drop them home and come back. Might even need a cab. 2 cabs. Like, yeah, we're going there. But I'm being serious as well. Like, literally, I don't know what is going on, and I've been dreaming that in my head for quite some time. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't think I even said it at the beginning, which I should have said in the beginning, but hey, I got my point across. I did a video, yeah. Like, no hesitation, yeah. We did it. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. If you've got any questions whatsoever, let me know. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah.